Greetings, Earthman, earthmansoil.com. God bless you, and I hope you are well today. And this is part 3 of creating your own earth. All right, the last part, what I did is I had my compost, and I mixed in all that good stuff I told you. And as I was mixing it in, I took out rocks, and as I was mixing it in, I was breaking down any large soil lumps and stuff like that, just making it nice and light and fluffy for the plant roots. Okay, so everything's mixed in really good. Now the next step is I'm putting in the peat moss and the perlite. The peat moss is going to be about 1/3 of peat moss that I showed you that I used the wetting agent on, and less than 2/3 compost, because the rest of that's going to be perlite, which is about 1/4 or so, maybe less. I don't put a ton in there. I would say like 1/8 perlite, something like that. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix all this good stuff together, and then I'll show you what my next step is going to be. So first step was using a wetting agent on the peat moss. Second step was cleaning up the compost, at the same time mixing in all those different ingredients that I showed you in the different video earlier. And then this next step is taking that wetting agent peat moss, the one I used the wetting agent on, and perlite, and now I'm going to mix it all up together. And I'll show you what the next video is going to be about next. So stay tuned.